Hello viewers, today we are going to prepare a healthy recipe. Traditionally it is called kanji and basically it is prepared with leftover rice and the water that we drain from the rice. So here I have taken the water that drained from the rice after boiling 1.5 liter and the last night rice which I soaked in water that I have taken. We need some mustard seeds, some garlic and radish. So basically we are going to prepare a healthy dish out of this leftover rice and water and this water drained from the boiled rice, which is called mard also you can say. So we are going to prepare kanji out of this. So let's prepare. So here I have taken that boiled rice water in our medium heat. Going to add the leftover rice. So here I have taken that boiled rice water this much in our medium heat. Going to add the leftover rice this much. Here going to add this radish and some curry pata or curry leaves. Here going to add this radish and some curry pata or curry leaves. Some turmeric, half teaspoon, some turmeric, and going to add some salt as per your taste. Mix it and going to add some salt as per your taste. Cook till the radish is going to be tender. Mix it. You can cover it and cook. And if required, you can add some water till the radish is going to be tender. Half a glass of water you can cover it and cook. And if required, you can add some water to it. I am going to add some water. Half a glass of water I am going to add. Cover it and cook for 15 minutes. Cover it and cook for, stir it in between 15 minutes. Stir it in between. Now it is almost ready. We will check the radish. See, it is tender now. We are going to give a temper to it. So here I have taken another pan for tempering. Lower the flame and add 1 teaspoon oil to it. Now I am going to add here some mustard seeds. Here. Two green chilies. Some curry leaves, mix it. Now I am going to add this garlic. Just cross the garlic and take. Fry it till the garlic become brown. Now add this to the kanji. and cover it. Now it is ready. Now it's ready. You can have it like this. In winter, enjoy this kanji.